Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, see its drawing. We will start by making its base. This is 145 millimeter and the width is 50 plus 20 and also this one is 20. So 50 plus 20 plus 20 is 90 millimeter. So go to Solidworks. Select here new part file, click OK. Make sure that the unit system is GS system. Now select here top plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This length is 145 millimeter and the width is 90 millimeter. Click OK. Now draw two circles. Escape. Now select both circles and make equal. Zoom in. Now select this center point. Press the control key and select this point and make relation horizontal. Click OK. Go to smart dimension and from this point to the bottom line the distance is 20 millimeter. And also from this line to this point the distance is 20 millimeter. And same for this circle. And also the diameter is 18 mm. Click OK. See, our sketch is ready. Go to drawing. Now see, this height is 20 mm and we have drawn these two circles. The diameter is 18 mm. Now go to SolidWorks and go to features. Select here extruded boss base and type here 20 mm. Click. Base is ready. Now go to drawing. Now we will make this surface. See, the width is 50 mm and this length is 68 mm and also this distance is 20 mm and from the top to this line is 15 mm and also from this line to the bottom line is 15 mm and this cutout surface is 30 mm. So go to SolidWorks, select this face and sketch. Now go to line command and draw lines like this. Now we need an arc, so again go to this point and this will convert the line into an arc. Now connect it to this point. Now click OK. Now select these points and make relation horizontal. Click OK. Also select this point, press the control key and select this point and make relation vertical. Click OK. Now go to smart dimension. This height is 50 mm. This length is 68 mm. Click OK and delete this relation. Now select this line and make vertical. Click OK. Again go to Smart Dimension. The distance from this line to this bottom line is, see in the drawing, it is 65 mm. So type here 65. And also this height is 50 mm. Now click OK. Go to Features. Select here Extruded Boss Base and extrude up to, see in the drawing, 60 mm. So type here 60. Click OK. Now we want to make a cutout. See, from the top it is 15 mm and also from the bottom it is 15 mm and the cutout is 30 mm and this distance is 20 mm. So go to Solidworks, select this face and sketch. Convert entities. Now go to line command and draw a line like this and escape. Go to Smart Dimension and from this point to the bottom point is 20 mm. Now go to Features and select here Extruded Cut. Select here Blind and type 30 mm. And also in the selected contour, select this face and select here Offset and type 15 mm. Reverse the direction. See, you can now clearly see which part is going to be cut. And now click OK. Now go to drawing and now we will make this conical shape. For this purpose, we will use revolve boss base command. See, the diameter is 24 mm and the height is 40 mm. And also this radius is 20 mm. So go to Solidworks. Now select this face and select here reference plane. Type here 50 mm and check the flip offset. See, click OK. Now zoom in, select this plane and sketch. Now go to line command and draw a line from this point and also horizontal line and connect up to this point and also up to this point. Now go to far dimension. This height is 40 mm and also this is 20 mm. And This is 34 mm. Now click OK. Go to Features, select here Revolve Pause Space, and in the axis of revolution, select this vertical line. Click OK. Now select this face and sketch, and also hide this plane. Now draw a circle. See, this is the center point. So draw like this. Go to Smart Dimension and see in the drawing, this is 24 mm and it is cut through all. So type here 24 mm. Now click OK. Go to Features, select here Extrude Cut and cut through all. Click OK. Now we will use rip command. So choose here right plane and sketch. Go to line command and draw a line like this. Now escape. Now go to Features and select here Rip. See, keep the distance 10 mm and flip material side. See, now the arrow is downward and click OK. The part is now totally completed. You can also give some appearance. For this purpose, go to Appearances and select the color you want. I'm selecting this color. See, click OK. The part is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.